All right, we have some breaking news. Salesforce out with its second quarter fiscal year 2024 results, and let's break down the numbers. It's actually a pretty strong report here from Salesforce, digging into what we're seeing revenue and EPS beating on here. So a beat on both the top and bottom lines. Their guidance also coming in better than expected for the third quarter. They also raised their full year outlook for sales and earnings. So Salesforce seeing third quarter sales of $8.7 billion to $8.72 billion. Estimate there was for $8.66 billion. When you take a look at what they're expecting for the full year, they raised their full year sales outlook $34.7 billion to $34.8 billion. Also, they raised their full year earnings outlook as well. The company also raising its full year operating margin. There's a theme here. Raising the full year operating margin view to about 30%. That's up from 28%. And again, second quarter results. Second quarter adjusted EPS $2.12. The estimate was for $1.90 a share. Revenue of $8.60 billion. The estimate was for $8.53 billion. So again, here a beat on both the top and bottom line for its most recent quarter. The company raising its expectations for the third quarter, also raising its expectations for the full year. And Akiko, no surprise, we're seeing shares up just about 5.5%.
Yeah, this is certainly a very positive report. When you consider the chatter around the cloud space for some time, in a lot of these earnings calls that we've gotten, we've heard about the pullback that we're seeing, especially in enterprise in terms of tech investment or IT investment, I should say. And that's been led to concerns about what's happening in the cloud space. But this certainly seems to point to some positive outlook here, at least for Salesforce. Also looking here, Shauna, cash generated up 142% year on year there too. So we'll see. We'll be listening to that earnings call as well. But at least for right now, we're seeing that stock up more than 5% right now.